Hey, I'm Jojo and I'm a digital artist from Berlin. Over the last couple years, I've had the opportunity to work with some incredible companies and share my art with the world. You may have seen some of my work on puzzles, hoodies, and other products. And I have some really exciting news for you because I decided to open a Patreon. By becoming my supporter on Patreon, you get some cool exclusive content, such as written tutorials where I share some insights into my artistic process, and time-lapse videos of how I produce my artwork, wallpapers for your phone or desktop. And you can also participate in really fun drawing challenges every month that can help you to overcome art blocks and step out of your comfort zone. And lastly, I will also share lots of advice on how to make a living as an artist and grow your audience. So if you're interested, just click the link, and I hope I can welcome you as one of my patrons.